Hello, my third grade friends, and I am here, and we're going to do the math review for week 9, day 3. And so remember, you should have spent 10 minutes trying to solve this. Of course, you have this packet at home, so as long as you turn in work that shows me that you know how to do it, that's fantastic. So let's get started. Movie theater has 500 seats. Miss Avery's class takes 33 seats. Miss Hamilton's class takes 27 seats. How many are left? So, um, what we know, the important numbers, so we're going to circle the important numbers. We have 500 seats to start off with, and then we have 33 seats that go away for Miss Avery's class and 27 seats that go away for Miss Hamilton's class. So this is a two-step problem. I'm going to actually figure out, and hopefully when you were doing this problem, you were like, ooh, I need to subtract. So, but before I subtract, I'm going to actually add Miss Avery and Miss Hamilton's students together, which is going to give me the total number of seats that have now been taken up. So, and this is going to be an addition. So, 3 plus 7 is 10. So I put a 0 here and I carry the 1 over here. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6, so there are 60 seats that are being occupied. Now there are 500 in the movie theater, and we have to subtract 60 seats because that's how many seats are now taken up. So I'm going to do this on a number line. So if I did this, luckily it's in increments 60, so that's going to be easy. So if I go 500, so 490, 480, 470, 460, 450, 440. So do you see how I did that on the number line? So each little jump I made was a set of 10, or you could have lined it up and subtracted 500 away, 60 from 500. So there were 440 seats left. Okay, so please make sure you get that down. Okay, Yolanda has $2.16. Ruby gives Yolanda 3 dimes and 4 pennies. How much does she have? This is also a two-step. So Yolanda is starting with $2.16. We know that. And we've got to figure out how many 3 dimes. So I've got 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, and these are 10 cents each. And 4 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've drawn that out. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So Ruby gives Yolanda 34 cents. And the reason there is a decimal point here is because cents are, there's 100 cents in a dollar, and so this is how you would write it out. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so I put the 0 there and I carry the 1 up here. 1 plus 1 plus 3, or really 10 plus 10 plus 30 is 50, or 5. And then there's nothing to add here in this dollars column. So Yolanda now has $2.50. And you notice I put the dollar sign in front of that to indicate that it's a dollar sign. Okay, so 444 plus 279. So 444 is really 440 and 4 if I do the break apart method. And then 279 is really 279. Okay, now I'm going to add all these up. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 7 is 111, or 110, so 40 plus 70. And 400 plus 200 is 600. So now I have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones, and I'm going to line them all up. It's really important to make sure you're precise about this. Then I'm using standard algorithm just to go ahead and solve. 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So that answer is 723. Hopefully you got that number. And if you got to the answer in a different way, that's awesome, as long as it's correct. There's many different ways to solve. Now, round each to the nearest 10, very important, and then add, okay? So we have a sequential thing, so it's got to be one and then the other. So I'm going to line this up, 491, 203, okay? If I am rounding to the nearest tens, hopefully you knew that we have to look at the ones place, okay? The ones tell us which direction it's going to round depending if we're rounding on the 10. So if it's 5 and above, give it a shove, meaning if this number right here is above 5, then we would round up. But since it's below 5, we're going to round down to 490. And then 203, this is the number, the 3 is the important number. We are going to round down because it's below 5 to 200. And then, this is the second step, then we are adding. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 4 plus 2, or 400 plus 200 is 6, so it is about 690. Okay. The word of the day, the secret word of the day is third grade rocks. Okay. So there's the secret word of the day. And be sure to take a picture of this and then turn it on in. Okay. See you later.